Welcome to solverfy.
We're asked to find the number of positive integers not exceeding 10,000 that are divisible by 3, 4, 7, or 11. Well, to do this, we'll use the following steps. We'll find the number of positive integers not exceeding 10,000 that are divisible by 3 or 4 or 7 or 11. And then we'll subtract that from 1,000. Now, in order to find the numbers that are divisible, the number of positive integers not exceeding 10,000 that are divisible by 3, 4, 7, or 11, we'll use the principle of inclusion and exclusion. So we have lower bracket 10,000 divided by 3 So these are the number of positive integers not exceeding 10,000 that are divisible by 3 plus 10,000 lower bracket 10,004. These are all the numbers not exceeding 10,000 that are divisible by 4 plus lower bracket 10,000 over 7. These are all the numbers less than 10,000 or not exceeding 10,000 that are divisible by 7. And plus lower bracket 10,000 divided by 11. These are all the positive integers less than 10,000 divisible by 11. Now we need to subtract lower bracket 10,000 divided by the greatest common divisor of 3 and 4. This is 12, because we double counted those. We need to also subtract 10,000 over the greatest common divisor of 3 and 7, 21, because we double counted those, minus lower bracket 10,000 over the greatest common divisor of 3 and 11, which is 33, because we double counted those as well. Also subtract the lowest common, lower bracket 10,000 over the greatest common divisor of 4 and 7. This is 28, because we double counted those, minus lower bracket 10,000 over the greatest common divisor of 4 and 11. This is 44, because we double counted those numbers, minus lower bracket 10,000 over the greatest common divisor of 7 and 11, which is 77, because we double counted those. Now, in accounting for the double countings, we have actually undercounted some numbers. So I'm going to add lower bracket 10,000 over the greatest common divisor of 3, 4, and 7. This is 12 times 7, or 84. Because we undercounted that, plus lower bracket 10,000 over the greatest common divisor of 3, 4, and 11. This is 12 times 11, which is 118. because we undercounted that, plus the lower bracket 10,000 over the greatest common divisor of 3, 7, and 11. This is 33 times 7, which is 231. Plus 10,000 over the greatest common divisor of 4, 7, and 11. This is 7 times 44, which is 308, because we undercounted those. But in accounting for our undercountings, now we have overcounted again numbers which are multiples of 3, 4, 7, and 11, or multiples of the greatest common divisor of those. So now I'm going to subtract lower bracket 10,000 over the greatest common divisor of 3, 4, 7, and 11. This is just their product since they are prime. This is 924. There's only going to be one of these numbers, obviously. So at this point, we're going to use a calculator to calculate all of these ratios and then find the greatest integer less than or equal to them. So 10,000 divided by 3. This is 3,333. .3, so just 3,333 plus 10,000 divided by 4. This is 2,500, and therefore we round it to 2,500. Next we have 10,000 divided by 7. This is 1,428.5. So we round this down to 1,428. Plus 10,000 divided by 11. This is 909. So we round down to 909. Plus, well, that's all the pluses. Now we have to subtract 10,000 over 11. No, 12, I mean. This is 833.3. Rounding down, this is minus 834. No, I'm sorry. It's positive, so it's 833. The negative's in front of the bracket. All right, and then we want to, from this, we'll subtract 10,000 over 21. This is 476.1, round down to 476. Minus 10,000 divided by 33. This is 303.0, round down to 303. Minus 10,000 over 28. This is 357.1, round down to 357. minus 10,000 over 44. This is 227.2, round down to 227. Minus 10,000 over 77. This is 129.8. We round down to 129. Plus 10,000 over 84. This is 119. Plus 10,000 over 118. Rounded down, this is 84. Plus 10,000 over 231. This is 43. Plus 10,000 over 308. This is 32. And finally, minus 10,000 over 924. This is, rounded down, 10. Plugging this all into a calculator, we have we get 6,113. And therefore, the number of positive integers not exceeding 10,000 that are not divisible by 3, 4, 7, or 11, this is 10,000 minus 6,113. Is 3,887. And this is our answer.